In the world of SEO, myths abound like urban legends. But in reality, many of these myths can lead you astray, wasting your time and effort. Let's debunk some common Google SEO myths. Myth 1. Keywords are the only thing that matters. Keywords are indeed important, but Google's algorithms have evolved far beyond simple keyword matching. Today, context, relevance, and user intent carry more weight. So focus on creating high-quality content that serves your audience's needs. Myth 2. Meta tags are the key to ranking. Meta tags like title tags and meta descriptions are still relevant, but they alone won't guarantee a high ranking. Google looks at a variety of factors, including content quality, user experience, and backlinks. So, while meta tags are important, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Myth 3. Link building is dead. Contrary to popular belief, link building is alive and well. However, it's not about quantity, but quality. Focus on earning natural, relevant, and authoritative backlinks from reputable sources. Quality always trumps quantity. Myth 4. SEO is a one-time task. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Google's algorithms are constantly evolving, and so should your SEO strategy. Regularly update your content, monitor your website's performance, and adapt to changes in the search landscape. Myth 5. Google penalizes duplicate content across domains. While duplicate content can be problematic within a single domain, Google doesn't penalize it across different domains. However, it can dilute your site's authority and confuse search engines. So, focus on creating unique and valuable content for your audience. Remember, in the ever-changing world of SEO, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. By understanding and debunking these common myths, you can build a more effective